Okay, these just came in. They come in a nice little packaging. Most of this stuff sometimes be coming like a vacuum seal, but not these. So far, so the packaging is good. You know, good packaging says a lot. Okay, everything looks nice. The seams are good. Pockets got a lot of pockets. These are like sportswear type of things. Make sure these are 2X. So I am about 245.10. Amazon recommended these to me based on my previous purchase. So these bottom pants legs are kind of big, but I think that's the style. Let's try them on. All right, all right, all right. This is what you can expect with a 2X. You got them pulled up a little bit below the navel. Probably could go up a little higher. Not how I normally wear. They're kind of long. They fit well. These are I have them with a t-shirt on. From the side view, again, I'm 240. This is 2X, 5'10", 5'9", somewhere in there. I'm shrinking. I'm not sure what shoes I'll wear, probably tennis shoes, but they feel good, and I like the pockets because I like pockets, that part. The material feels good. I'm hoping I can wear these in hot weather as well as in cold weather. Definitely cold weather, but I don't know about hot. Probably could be a little bit shorter, but maybe they'll change when I put shoes on. All in all, it was a good purchase.